On this episode of The Auto Archaeologist, we're actually doing good this time, and the owner is pulling the 1970 SSA Dart out of the farm field for the first time in decades, because, well, guess what? He's going to restore it. The owner pulled the car out of Granite City, Illinois, which is only like an hour or two outside of Chicago. So, I mean, it was a Chicagoland option package for dealers. Like I said, we found at least half dozen different ads from that time period showing the SSA Dart. So, it ending up in Granite City, totally reasonable. And he's got a few parts cars, to say the least. Those are Cudas and Challengers, and those are B-bodies.
I bet it was 1980. I bet it was 1989.
89 and 90, wow. And was it a running driving? Because you have the original engine, you have
I bought it. The engine was in the trunk.
Yeah, the engine was in the trunk, okay.
I haven't opened the engine to look at it. It's complete. And I see right now, I remember the transmission's still in it, the converter's still in it.
The trans is, yeah, it's because SSA stood for Super Swinger Automatic. And so it's the only, not only is it the only known SSA, like, it's also the only complete one. So it's a twofer.
It's a number matching engine.
Yeah, numbers matching.
Interesting, I gotta look at the title, see whose name's on it. How long ago was the register? Was it one owner, two owners?
Yeah.
That's a good question.
That is a good question. Did
you
ever pull the seats on it to see if you could find a build sheet?
No, it's just been sitting.
Just been sitting since the 90s.
We bought so many cars back then.
Yeah.
And I knew that I seen the stickers, the SSA, because they were on, the emblems were on at the time. But
Oh, were
we
they?
didn't know what it meant. We knew it was cool.
Yeah.
We thought it was super stock automatic, but super swinger. But
Yep.
I didn't know what it was exactly until Reinhardt told me it was something unique, and then I was like, oh.
Well, if Reinhardt said it was something unique, then we know it's something unique. Reinhardt's crazy.
Yeah. He's the one that alerted me that it was something special.
Cool.
That was about, and I just found that out 3-4 years ago. So luckily, we never took parts off it. We never hurt it.
Yep.
We never stripped it for anything because it has a complete 340 drivetrain. It could have been pirated.
Yeah, it could have been. I mean, they're
back in the day.
I mean, they put them in. I mean, 340s were always a desirable engine.
Yeah, we've always been needing 340s. So
yep.
I'm glad we never did anything foul to it. But I kind of got a thing for 340 darts. So
a little bit.
I got another one almost just like it on the rotisserie at the shop. It's mine.
That's right.
A matching car too, but it's not an SSA car like that.
All right, here we go. We're going to try to get it away from that's a 69 Dart 340 in front of it, right?
That's a 383 4-speed in front of it.
Oh, it's a 383 4-speed sitting in front of it. That's all.
Variety is a 340 auto.
Yep.
That's a number matching car completed. You know, that's a complete number matching 340 Swinger right there.
Yeah, I remember that one. All right, let's see how this goes. It's going to try to yank it over.
The steering wheel, so turn.
You think you're going to be able to unlock it?
Take the steering wheel apart, that'll help. Are the keys in it? I had some nephews.
Oh no!
Years ago, that pirated keys out of the cars.
Oh yeah.
They were at my house. Yeah. They were youngsters, you know, kids were.
Oh no, that's terrible.
But I do have a large pile of Mopar keys.
Oh, keys are in it, he said, so that will make things easier.
Yeah, the transmission is in it. You will have to put it neutral.
Yeah.
I can't steer it. It's stuck in the ground.
He said, well, yeah. Oh, looks like it's going to work. Here we are, June 2026, pulling the SSA Dart out of the farm field for the first time since 1990, roughly. It's been owned by the same individual.
That's a 340 4-speed. Yeah.
Let me get over here out of the way. It's a good pole.
I got the original scoops at the house, at the shop, and I got another good one.
Okay.
I've got pretty much everything.
Sweet.
We got the whole car.
Oh, yeah.
Tell you what we'll do. You can have a tent there.
Yep. I don't know about a tent, but I'll have a space.
Once you get 2 spaces, you put the car next to you.
You could do whatever.
And if you want to promote it, but people
oh shit,
people have been interested in it, put it right next to you.
Yeah, we could absolutely. I mean, I'm organizing this place, so I can do whatever the hell I want. Well, I think it's free, but yeah, no, you're more than well. I mean, you have to pay to get in, but you don't. Yep.
I'll make it running. I'll make it running dry.
You don't have, as long as it rolls, I'm happy. Okay. No, well, that's true.
It'll be patina, but it'll run and drive.
It will be patina, that is for sure.
I think I might even have a blue fender.
Oh, that's funny. We got one right there.
Yeah, but it's not the same blue. That's a remake.
No, yeah.
It is a blue one, but I think I got
it's straight now. It's straight.
Well, disc brakes are locked up.
Yeah, pulling the SSA Dart out of the farm field for the first time in 30 years.
Anything rolling, they all dragging. I'll get you to it if you want back over here. Pull it on the trailer. So you just want to fill it. Oh, we need to load it and then we'll back in. Probably the more time we've gotten around, the more stuff. Oh, this wheel's rolling. All that light front, oh, look.
Unfortunately, the hood just broke off. It's oh boy, look at all that rust coming out of it. Okay, so the hood is for display only.
Yeah. Well, that or, believe it or not, I could drill it off, change the skin.
You could.
To save the painted skin.
That might be the way to do it.
Probably will when we do it.
It one more. It one more before though. Oh. Yep. I'm on your post. I'm going. No, you're good. You're not help. Hold on. Come on, get the thing. You're moving it. It's fine, it's fine. I am going it. Yeah, it's going that way, yeah. Oh, wait. I didn't do that. I threw the tire. Yeah. Oh, that's easy now. After a little, yeah, after a little rearranging, the Dart is now going onto the truck. Here's the point with it. It will just get on there. Really? That's crazy. You can look at that one. I know. I'll give you a minute. There we go. '70 SSA Dart out of the mud for the first time in 30 years. 1986 license plate.
Imagine how prevalent KC95 was here in St. Louis.
Not my cup of tea, but if you say
KC95 is major famous here in the area.
It's got a trailer hitch on it. I didn't realize that. That's interesting that it has a Missouri plate, even though you got it out of Illinois.
Yeah, it's true.
All right, let's. He said, "Oh yeah, still see blue paint on the frame rails and everything. It's crusty, but not bad.
There's no rust on this rail.
There's some surface over here.
I see undercoat.
I see. Yeah, there's undercoat. Yeah,
Holy cow!
that's crazy. And here you can see the remains of the SSA, and I'll put pictures in of. It's got the original swinger emblem. It's the original SSA deck lid. You can see here the remains of the SSA badging and the original Dart swinger that came on the car from the factory. The SSA was added at your local Chicagoland Dodge dealer. It's got. Let's see if we can open. Nope, not opening that door. We go on the other side while they're locking this thing down.
Needed quarter panels when I got it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure these things rotted out from the factory.
It needed quarters when I got it. So the fact that the rails and the trunk floor is still good,
Heck yeah.
takes away all the theory that it's going to shits in the field.
Yep. Nope. Yeah.
It's the salt that kills them, not the
SSA.
It's not the rain and the snow. It's the salt.
It is the salt. I am attest to that. This thing is so neat. So happy it's getting rescued. Let's see if I can open the door real quick. It has the original interior. Yep. Rally gauge cluster, automatic obviously on the column. I mean, floor shift wasn't optional, but blue interior, slightly toasty dash.
She's seen a lot of sun.
She has. And he's going to pull the back seat and hopefully find a build sheet.
Could be under the front.
Could be on the front seat, or it could be in the glove box, whatever's left of it.
Yeah. Well, the back side or glove box.
Yeah.
Never know.
You never know on these.
We'll be hopeful.
Hopeful, yes.
At least we got a fender tag.
That is true. Even though the fender tag doesn't show that it's an SSA, I mean, the fact that there's paint removed from where the SSA badging is and the trunk lid, there's no denying what it is.
I wonder what it's
Yeah, I don't know.
Now they got the Mr. Norms.
I mean, the Mr. No, because he had the RAM. Usually, it could be dyno tuning.
Probably was the dyno tuning.
Probably the dyno tuning.
It had the chrome valve covers in the header, so.
Yeah.
Probably had the dyno tuning.
You know what I'll do? I'll send the VIN number off to my friend and see if it's in his norm database. And unfortunately, the ground is really wet, so we're trying to get it out of here without getting stuck. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. We only have to go 2 miles. 2 miles. I was very fortunate. The owner allowed me the opportunity to come and document the rescue of the SSA Dart, because he could have done it at any time, but he specifically waited for me to come back through on my way back from Hot Rod Power Tour 2026 to do this. Now, this is a very unique situation. I had been planning this for weeks, and I've been working with the owner, and it worked out just about perfectly. This is probably the fastest you'll ever see a video go up on my channel, because I shot it in the morning basically, and then I'm editing it at night, and it will be up on Monday. This is a very rare and unique opportunity that will probably never come again, because it was just about perfect. And today was just about perfect. The weather was beautiful. It was in the 70s when just days before it was in the 90s. Unfortunately, it had rained earlier in the really early morning. So the ground was extremely wet. That's why we actually had problems getting the tow truck out there to pull the car out. We had to actually, they got it stuck and then they had to get it unstuck. But you can see that the ground is an actual old farm field. This is a wheat field. I think they may have had cows grazing on it at one point, but so they had to be very careful with it. This was my maybe third time out in the property, and there's still so much to see. I never even went and documented the 71 and up cars. I ran through real quick a few years ago with pictures, but really, I was there for the SSA Dart. More to come, though. Hey, Automotive Adventures. I hope you enjoyed that video from my friend's place in Missouri and us rescuing the 70 Dart SSA. I'm still on my way home from Hot Rod Power Tour. I stopped at Wally's in Pontiac to get gas and get some food, and I thought this was appropriate. I'm tired. It's been a long week. Or it's been like 10 days. Yeah, but it's supposed to be I just checked the weather report last night, and it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful this week. So I'm hoping to get a lot done on the green car. I don't want to touch the blue car. I want to put the blue car away and then just not look at it for like a month. But a lot of stuff coming up. I don't know what. I'm too tired. But keep watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. Oh yeah, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video so I can keep doing this. I do enjoy this. I really do. I'm just another 2 hours to get home. New drops every Monday. Yeah, social media stuff. You know, it's down below. So I'll see you all soon. Thanks.